So trading cryptocurrencies isn't going quite as easy as you thought, right? You thought that you would make a whole lot of money, right? You obviously assumed that you were going to be rich by now, right? But guess what? The cryptocurrency market is doing pretty badly. And how the hell did you miss selling at the top? Remember the January bull run? If you sold at the top, you would be swimming in a whole lot of money right about now, because all the goddamn projects are pretty cheap right about now. If only you would go back in time, you would most definitely sell at the right time. But guess what? None of us has got access to a time machine, and obviously time machines don't probably exist. So what are you going to do? How are you going to get back to making money? How are you going to get back to being comfortable, to being financially stable, you know, mentally and emotionally as well? Because the cryptocurrency market is not really going quite your way, is it? So yeah, today we are going to be talking about how you guys are really going to recover your cryptocurrency portfolio. Or let me just put it this way, we are going to be talking about how you guys are going to get back to making money. Where are my manners? I mean, we obviously have to get acquainted, right? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Muna, that's M-U-N-A, and welcome to Beyond 10x, where we get to talk about a whole lot of money making opportunities, because by the end of the day, everybody wants to make money. So that's what we are basically going to be talking about. So all you have to do right about now is smash the like button. So yeah, smash the like button like right now, like really literally right now, and hit the subscribe button as well. And please turn on post notifications, because next week, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to be doing vlogs and I'm going to be showing you around Moscow, and you guys are just going to have a whole lot of fun. So yeah, let's jump into the video. But before we go on, let me just try to find out exactly how you guys are doing. Like, how are you? Like, how was your day? How's everything? How's your family? Do you have any kids? How's your kids doing? And please let me know, which country are you guys representing? What city are you currently in right about now? Please drop all that information in the comment section below, because I really want to get to find out exactly where my subscribers are and where you guys are from. So let's jump into the video. On a serious note, I have been thinking about these things, and I have really taken a lot of weeks thinking about this. And to be honest with you guys, I'm actually thinking about selling a lot of my shit coins, if I might put it that way, because as you can see right now, the cryptocurrency market is mostly all about Bitcoin. So what I'm thinking right now is, in order for me to recover my cryptocurrency portfolio, in order for me to put it back where it's supposed to be, I needed to really be healthy. So I sort of decided to get rid of a lot of alternative cryptocurrencies that have been performing very bad. I decided to go along with that, because by the end of the day, a lot of alternative cryptocurrencies are not really going to do well unless Bitcoin makes the first move. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to switch a lot of my alternative cryptocurrencies for Bitcoin, and then I'm going to be trading Bitcoin with leverage. Yep, ladies and gentlemen, right about now it's very easy to short Bitcoin, and you can actually use 3x leverage, you can actually use 4x leverage, and you guys are really going to end up doing pretty well. For example, what really happened recently when we hit about 7,400, right? That was the 61.8 fib level right over there, right? So I'm sure everybody was even expecting the price of Bitcoin to drop down in value. So if you really took advantage of shorting Bitcoin on either Bitmex or Bitmex, right, using a leverage of about 2 to 3x, you would have obviously made quite a significant amount of profit doing that. And guys, you have to be extremely careful, because you don't really want to sell a lot of good alternative cryptocurrencies. For example, Vechain, Ontology, Elastos, those are keepers. You guys have to definitely keep those alternative cryptocurrencies. But I have a few alternative cryptocurrencies which are very shitty. I was just investing them. It was more a gamble. I didn't really think about it a lot, and I really personally regret. So I'm about to switch those to Bitcoin, and then I'm just going to do the trading with leverage thing and see how it's going to go. But I really think that now that we are in a very bearish market, I think it's easier to short Bitcoin than longing Bitcoin, because I mean, like, you are most likely going to make money shorting Bitcoin right about now as opposed to longing it. So that's what I'm about to do, and I'm obviously going to be using 2x to about 3x leverage, because I don't really want to like risk my money. That's why I'm going to be like very, very careful with it. So I really think if this bear market is going to continue, I might end up recovering a significant amount of my money which I lost. So when you trade with leverage, you can obviously borrow a little bit of money. You can obviously trade with more money than you actually have, and that's very good. But of course, I do realize how risky it is, and this is one of the reasons that you guys have to know exactly what you are getting yourselves into. If you guys are not very good at technical analysis, you might really want to like brush up those techniques and just get to like really know exactly what you are doing. And guys, it's always very important to use those stop losses, because having a stop loss is more like some sort of guarantee in order for you not to lose your money, because you really want to like keep your money secure, because you might end up losing that money, because this market is very, very unpredictable. And guys, in case you don't really know exactly how to go about doing the technical analysis of things, you can always follow a lot of pro traders. You can easily find pro traders on TradingView. There's like a lot of good pro traders who've got like a very reputable track record of actually calling out what the price of Bitcoin is most likely to be at, or rather, like they are more likely to predict what is really going to happen to the price of a certain cryptocurrency, i.e. Bitcoin and other stuff. So you can always use those particular pro traders for reference, because by the end of the day, you are responsible for all the cryptocurrency trades that you're about to do, and you don't really have to like rely on another person to like help you do stuff. So guys, please do understand what I'm saying. You have to know exactly what you're doing. This is not really for anybody. If you guys don't really know, if you guys don't really have the time to look at the charts, if you guys don't really have the time to like brush up your technical analysis skills, please stay away from this method. You are much better off just keeping your cryptocurrencies, just hodling them and just coming back some other time. Like perhaps you can come back after 6 months, but this method is going to be very vigorous. This method is going to be it's going to be slightly risky, so you always have to like be sure of the skills that you have, and you always have to know exactly what you're doing. So this is actually just one of the methods that I'm going to be using to recover my portfolio, to get back my portfolio where it used to be. And in case you guys are thinking about cryptocurrency exchanges where you can actually get to like short or long, or rather pretty much trade cryptocurrencies with leverage, you can always use Bitmex. You can always use Bitmex as well. So yeah, please do check out the links in the description box below. So that's just what I was thinking about, because by the end of the day, whether I keep on holding these shit alternative cryptocurrencies, right, I'm just going to end up wasting time. And if you guys really know me, I love to make progress. I love to like do things which are really going to benefit me in the longest period of time. So I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to risk it and obviously play it safe, and we are definitely going to see where it's actually going to take me. And I'm definitely going to be letting you guys know exactly where I am going with trading Bitcoin with leverage. Especially I'm mostly going to be shorting Bitcoin, because right now we are in a bearish market, so it's actually easier to short Bitcoin as opposed to going long, because when you go long, you are definitely going to be wrecked. So that's all I have for you today. Please let me know, is this a great idea? Do you think it's going to work? Do I stand a lot of risk doing this? What do you guys think? Like, how are you guys going to personally recover your cryptocurrency portfolios? Are you guys going to be waiting till the market decides to like go up? What are you going to do personally? Like, what is your plan? Like right about now, things didn't go our way, and we definitely have to move on. We have to, maneuver our ways around this thing and really get back to being profitable, if you know what I mean. Because I am so tired of, watching these investment groups fuck up everything. I'm sorry for cursing. I'm not really that type of person, but I'm just trying to show you my frustration because I am so freaking frustrated right about now. So anyway, it's been your boy MUNA Beyond 10x. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash the like button. I beg you, please smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications, and please remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and please, whatever you do, please do it with your own will. Do your own due diligence and be blessed. Talk to you guys a little bit later. Bye.